Today we're going to be talking about our S170 high performance drill stand, and it has a number of really excellent features that make it unique. The most notable is its quick release cradle, which is patented, and it makes it so easy to mount the drill. You can see here, it's all you need to do is you take the ratchet lever, loosen the ratchet lever, and you pull the handle, and the whole cradle comes right out. It's very quick, and it just snaps right in, and then you tighten it, and it's ready to go. So that it's really a time saver, especially when you're in an awkward position on a wall or something. But now we'll talk about the main features of this machine. We have here, it's got an aluminum column, but the gear rack is steel, and it has roller guidance, which gives you excellent low friction movement up and down in the stand. And here's the lock. You just press in to release, and it pulls out to lock. Now to unlock the carriage, you simply slide the carriage lock to the left. And to lock, you pull to the right. And if it doesn't quite line up, you just wiggle the handle a little bit and it comes out. This handle is used for, well, it mounts on either side of the machine, and it's also used for the slant lock. And I'll show you right now how that works. You just loosen it up, and you can adjust. There's a scale, and you just adjust to whatever angle you want. And then you remark it again. You've got it at 15 degrees. And you also use the multi-purpose handle for locking the machine in the neck here. It has 3 leveling bolts. And after having 3, it's a lot easier to adjust than 4 because it's naturally stable. But you can adjust those. And also, if in the case where you have your guidance goes loose, we can also adjust our rollers very easily. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. First, let's just talk about how we would mount the machine into the stand, and we'll show you how that works. First off, I'll use our DM6 drill, but any drill with a 60 millimeter gearbox neck will work. And you just put it in there. And you probably want to mount it in this direction so you can get access to your gears. And then you just use your handle to tighten it in place. There, now it's tight. Now to release the quick release cradle, all you need to do is first release the lock lever, and then you reach in and grab the release lever, and the machine just comes right out of the dovetail. When you put it back in, all you do is you put it into the dovetail, snap it in place, and tighten the lock lever. And there, it's tight. Now you're ready to drill. Let me just dismount the motor for a minute and show you just how light this machine is. It's very light in weight, but at the same time it has a capacity of up to 170 millimeters, which is quite appreciable size. Now I want to take a minute to talk to you about maintenance of the machine, and basically the main maintenance you'll be doing is you'll be adjusting your guidance. Now to adjust your guidance rollers, the 2 on the left are on eccentric shafts, so that you can adjust. The 2 on the right are not. So if you have your carriage locked and you can turn the roller by hand, you know it's too loose. So all you need to do to adjust is you do both of them. So you turn in your hand and then tighten until it stops, and then turn about another further 1/8 of a turn. And you repeat the same for the other side. And then you can check by moving your carriage up and down to make sure it's not over tightened. Today we're going to talk about how we're going to mount our drill stand to the workpiece. And the best way to mount your drill stand is to use what we call a drop-in anchor. And so you're going to have to do your layout and you measure the distance from the center of your intended hole to where you're going to set your anchor, and it depends on the size of your stand. You can figure it out. So here, there's a few tools that you're going to need before you begin. First, you're going to need a rotary hammer, and you're going to have the right size drill bit for your drop-in anchor, and you should drill to the correct depth, and then you drive in your anchor with a driving tool for the anchor and a sledgehammer. And then for mounting the drill to the drill stand, you'll need a length of thread rod and a nut, and also a mounting plate. This is our optional mounting plate, and you can see it's as strong as possible. It'll give you a really secure mounting to the workpiece. And also in your setup, you'll need a tape measure to measure where to put your hole, and if it's crucial, the alignment of your hole, you'll need to have some kind of a spirit level for aligning your stand before you finally tightening it down onto the workpiece. And so first we'll begin by drilling our hole for our drop-in anchor. Now before you set your anchor, you have to make sure the hole is completely clean, free of any dust, to make sure it has a good hole. Otherwise it may come loose when you're operating, and that would not be good. Now to set your anchor, you use this special setting tool so you can drive it into the hole without damaging the threads. And you just take your sledgehammer and drive it into the hole. And now you remove the driving tool. And we use our mounting block. Take your threaded rod, thread it into the anchor. Thread it all the way as far as you can. And then you tighten it down. Leave it finger tight for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to level the base. Make sure it's level. Okay, now that the base is level, and we can finally tighten the anchor. Make it nice and tight. And now we're ready to add the motor head and begin drilling.